4 day 16 video 2 page number 15. Write date, CW and day. We have some words. Okay, complete the table below with opposites of the preposition given in the list: above, inside, far, before, under, over, off, within, down, in front of or across preposition, and write its opposite here: outside, inside, under, over, up, down, below, above, without, within, on, off, near, far, behind, in front of. Extended exercise. Some prepositions will have to be used more than once. Okay, we can use some prepositions more than one time. Okay, complete the passage given below by filling in the preposition given below. On, at, out, down, for, between, in, etc. Not etc. Only we have these words. A match was to be played between St. Martin's Boys and Red Roses High School day on Monday. Okay, on Monday. Derek was in the team. On Monday he came home at 1 o'clock to eat his lunch. No one was at home. We use at for time or place. Derek took some bread out of the refrigerator. He made a nice sandwich by putting some butter and jam on the slices. Complete this on your book or done. We will do lesson number 4 in the next lecture. Thank you, class.